Currently, I'm in my small flower garden, so I'd like to practice English for 1 minute. So let's start. Yesterday, I purchased some flower plants from nursery. I'd like to introduce them. So let's see. Look, these are periwinkle. I've purchased them for 60 taka. And next, these are carnation. I've purchased them for 60 taka. And these are phlox. I've purchased them for 80 taka. And look, it is 1000 of rose. It has another name, cluster rose. I've purchased it for 200 taka. So like this way I practice English. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.